Sawadika, welcome to World of Thai Food. I'm Amy and today I'm going to show you how to make shrimp and pork cake. It is my favorite dish when I was young and I love to order that every time when I went to restaurants. And I know that you're gonna love it as well. So let's take a look at the ingredients. 200 grams of shrimp, 200 grams of ground pork, coriander with root, egg, garlic, pepper, sugar, tempura flour, seasoning soy sauce, oyster sauce, cooking oil, breadcrumb, and sweet chili sauce. And first step, I'm going to start with the marinade, which I'm going to pound the coriander root, garlic, and black pepper in the mortar. You need to smash it until it mixes well, actually become like fine paste so that it can marinate into the meat nicely. So if you don't have mortar at home, maybe you can also use the food processor as well. The paste is ready. So here the shrimp that I bought already deveined and they already cut the back of the shrimp for me, so it's very easy for me to peel them. And next, just chop the shrimp. You can actually use the food processor again at this stage, but if you do chop by yourself like this, I think the shrimp gonna be more chunky, and I like it. Good. I think that's it. And then we can mix all the meat in the mortar. Okay. After the paste and the meat mix together well, then we can start to season it. 1 tablespoon of seasoning soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. And now we're gonna make the shrimp cake, and in order to form the shrimp cake, we are going to need 1/4 of the cup of this flour and another 1/4 of the cup of panko. And egg. You may need a little bit of water so that the meat not gonna stick to your hand. That's why you need more water on your hand. Okay. And you just dip this into the flour. And then egg. And then panko. And you put on 1 flat plate and you can make a hole. The reason I make a hole on this shrimp cake is that when we cook it, inside of the shrimp cake gonna get cooked easily. Our shrimp cakes are ready to be fried, so let's get started. For frying this shrimp cake, you will need a lot of oil. In the same time, you only need medium to low heat, so that this stage you need to be a little bit patient in order to get beautiful and crispy shrimp cakes. Then when we notice that the cakes start to get golden brown color, so we can flip them. Yeah, so it takes 3 to 4 minutes on each side. There we go. And that's how easy it is to make shrimp and pork cake. And this one you can eat with the sweet chili sauce or plum sauce, but I prefer the sweet chili sauce, and you can also find the link how to make sweet chili sauce up there. And you can find the ingredients below or visit our website worldofthaifood.com. Don't forget to try this at home, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. For today, have a spicy day. Bye bye! Yummy. Happy birthday to you. That's what they say. Happy birthday to you. When you wash your hand, just sing happy birthday song for 2 times. That's how long you need to wash your hand. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. I don't know who. Happy birthday to you.